In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to cancel your ChatGPT subscription step by step, quickly and safely. If you no longer need the paid plan or you just want to stop the next billing cycle, this guide will walk you through the whole process from start to finish. I'll keep it simple, clear, and easy to follow, so even if you've never changed a subscription before, you'll be able to do it without any confusion. And before we begin, if this video helps you out, please take a second to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this one. It really helps the channel, and it means a lot. Alright, let's jump into it. First, open your browser and go to ChatGPT. Once you're on the site, look toward the top corner and click on your profile icon. This is where your account options are stored, and it's the first step to getting into the settings area. After you open the profile menu, click on Settings. That will take you into the main settings panel where you can manage account options, preferences, and subscription details. Now, inside Settings, look for the Account section. Click on Account and then select Manage. This is the area where ChatGPT connects you to the billing and subscription management page. Depending on how your account is set up, it may open a billing portal or a separate management page where your plan details are listed. Once you're in the account management area, look for the option that says Cancel Subscription. Click that button to start the cancellation process. At this point, ChatGPT may ask you to confirm your choice or explain why you want to cancel. Just follow the on-screen prompts carefully and confirm the cancellation when asked. Make sure you read any final message before submitting, especially if you want to know whether your subscription will stay active until the end of the billing period. After you confirm, your subscription should be scheduled for cancellation, and you'll no longer be charged on the next renewal date. It's always a good idea to check for a confirmation email or a status message so you know the cancellation went through successfully. If you don't see the option right away, double-check that you're logged into the correct ChatGPT account, especially if you use more than one email address. Also, remember that canceling your subscription usually stops future payments, but you may still have access to premium features until the current billing cycle ends. That means you can continue using the paid plan for the rest of the period you already paid for. If you ever decide to come back later, you can always resubscribe from the same account. So to quickly recap, go to ChatGPT, click your profile, open Settings, go to Account, select Manage, and then click Cancel Subscription. That's the full process. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.